y'all, my old school soul food family. Chef Jeffrey back with another video. Okay, we're still continuing our Thanksgiving meal items. There's never Thanksgiving or Christmas or even a family reunion or a church get together without this particular recipe. This is my old school potato salad. I make it very simple, very easy. I don't try to fancy it up. I don't try to add things that don't traditional go in it. I just do the traditional potato salad. Only thing I don't have today that I changed up that I usually do is the potato. This is a regular Idaho potato, but usually I use a Yukon Gold, but I don't have that because I bought a lot of these because I'm making cheese au gratin potatoes too. So I just bought a big 10-pound bag. So I'm gonna use these regular Idaho potatoes. But most of the time I use a Yukon Gold, which gives it your potato salad a more creamier texture. But these will work also. So it's very simple recipe. All the potatoes, eggs, onions, mayonnaise, little mustard, sweet relish. That's it, and salt and pepper. Very simple. But first thing I'm gonna do, I'm gonna get my potatoes boiling, get them boiling, and I got my eggs already boiled here, and the onions are already chopped. All I gotta do is boil my potatoes. And the key to potatoes, when you boil them, you always start it in cold water. When you boil the potatoes, always start it in cold water so the potatoes can cook evenly. So I'm gonna put this on, let the potatoes cook, and once the potatoes are cooked and ready, I got them on right here. Once the potatoes are cooked and ready, we're going to drain them, and I'm going to put everything together. And I mix my potato salad while the potatoes are hot and warm. The reason I do that, the mayonnaise and the mustard and everything soaks into the potato, and you get so much flavor than mixing the potato salad with a cold potato. It makes a big difference when you mix it with the potatoes are still hot and warm. But anyway, we're going to let the potatoes boil, and we will be back once the potatoes are cooked, and we'll put the potato salad together. So we'll be right back. It takes about 15-20 minutes for the potatoes get cooked. And also add salt and pepper to your water when you're boiling potato. Always salt your water. So we'll be right back. Alright y'all, we are back. My potatoes are ready. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna take it and drain the water off of these things. Sink here. And it's very important that you don't overcook your potatoes. And make sure you drain them very, very well too. Shake all the excess water on them. But they should hold their shape. See like that? They definitely should hold their shape when they cook. See that? That's what you want. You don't want them mushy. You want them just like the knife, just better to have some kind of resistance. You don't want them mushy. Of course, you want them done. You don't want them hard. There's a thin line between that. Okay. Now I'm gonna let these cool just a second. You know, I like to do them warm. I don't want to do them really this hot. So I'm gonna let them cool about 5 minutes, and then I'm gonna come back and I'm gonna mix this thing together. Very simple recipe, y'all. Very simple recipe. So I'm gonna, like I said, I'm gonna let them sit here just about 5 minutes. Let them quit steaming so much, and we're gonna come back and I'm gonna put this potato salad together. And it's very simple. Be right back. All right, y'all, I'm back here. Okay, let's put this thing together. Okay, I got mayonnaise here. I'm gonna add a little mayonnaise at a time because every potato is different. A little mustard. I don't add a lot of mustard, just a little, give it that little twang. And the recipe is in the description of the video. Onions, a small dice them. Gotta have the eggs. And I use sweet relish. I don't use dill relish. I use the sweet one. And I'm very liberal with this. I love a lot of relish in my potato salad. Okay, let's mix this up here, and then we'll kind of look at it and see if it needs more mayonnaise. And I always fold my potato salad so I don't break up the potatoes. I don't really stir it too rough. I'm definitely going to put a little bit more mayonnaise. I'm going to put the rest of this mayonnaise in here. Might well put it since I got it measured out. Oh yeah. And y'all know as this setup, like I said, these potatoes are very warm. And as it's set up, all that flavor gonna go into the potato. Okay, I gotta add a little salt and white pepper. And that's it, y'all. It's very, see how simple this is? Very simple potato salad. Very simple. And let me get us a taste here, see if I got enough. I don't got enough relish in there. Clean up here a little. Give it a taste here and see if I got enough salt and pepper in here. I think this is good, y'all. Let me try it. Oh wow. It's definitely good. And like I say, let me put it in the serving bowl here. There we go. There we go. Like I say, once this sets up, it's definitely gonna be better. It's gonna be a lot better. A lot better. As them flavors married together. And that's simple potato salad. I've been making it like this for years. And anytime I show up somewhere to barbecue or anything, people ask for my potato salad. And when they come to my house, and I'm having a dinner party or Super Bowl party or just a sports party, they always looking for my potato salad till this day. So anyway, that's it. Very simple recipe, not hard to, follow. You can add different things. Some people add bacon, some people add pimentos. I just keep it simple and plain. There's nothing to it. So anyway, I'm gonna close this video out. Definitely put this on your table for Thanksgiving, just like I did it. I promise you, it won't be any left at the end of the dinner. So anyway, follow my other social media accounts: Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, Twitter, Twitch TV, Pinterest, and oldschoolsoulfood.com. Until next time, have a blessed Old School Soul Food Day.